Hi everyone, this is Lalvi. So now in this video I'm going to answer some of the Node.js interview questions. So for my first question is, what is Node.js and how does it differ from other server-side technology? Actually, Node.js is a runtime environment that acts as an interpreter to convert uh, converts our JavaScript language that can be understood by the server-side that can be understood by server-side. So why it is different from Apache or PHP is generally Apache or PHP are working in a synchronous way, whereas Node.js is actually asynchronous programming. And my second question is, what is a callback function in Node.js? Why are they commonly used in asynchronous program? Callback function means it contains some it contains some parameters. uh, I mean, it's like callback function has some arguments that are invoked after some operations. uh, why these are commonly used in asynchronous programming means, actually asynchronous programming means if you are performing one task and you want to perform another task simultaneously, you don't need to wait for the previous task to complete. You can proceed for the next operation. So which is where one of the best advantage in Node.js or asynchronous programming. And my third question is, what is the purpose of the package.json file in Node.js project? Yes, purpose of package.json file is the when you're building a project, the details like its name, dependencies, properties, everything uh, required to your project is stored in this package.json file. So it carries all the information of your project. Explain the difference between require and import statements in Node.js. When and why. Require is a function in Node.js to import the modules const, require, firebase. We generally import the packages, whereas import is a keyword which we use in ESX modules. Next question is, what is middleware in the context of Express.js? Can you? Yes. Um, See, middleware is nothing but it generally when you are performing some sign-in functionality, you are connecting it to your database, right? In this client side to database, in between this middleware is present. So middleware generally consists two main arguments like request object and response object. So I think one of the best example for this middleware application is database integration. While you are storing your users data by sign in, and what is RESTful API and how can you create one using Node.js and Express.js? Explain the main HTTP methods. So, the main HTTP methods used in RESTful APIs are there are mainly four, which is get, post, and put and delete. Where get is used to store the user's details, and post is created to new user, whereas delete is used to delete the uh, some information. So these are main HTTP methods used in RESTful APIs. And what is the purpose of Node Package Manager? How do you use it? Manage dependencies and see, a Node Package Manager plays a very big role because this is how you can install all your required packages. Like maybe it can be Express package or EJS or body parser, Nodemon or Firebase. Anything you should be installing it with Node Package Manager in your Node.js environment. So how do you manage dependencies is See, previous third question I had mentioned about package.json. We have in package.json we have one property like dependencies. That's where you can manage your npm packages. And why is it important to hash passwords in web application? Because if we are not uh, securing our data in the database, it is at high risk that any others can manipulate your data. There is no proper security, right? So in order to have security, we need to have hash passwords in our web application. Thank you.